A new day at Hera starts with thorough preparation and boundless enthusiasm. Each morning, Hera technicians prepare their tools and review the day's schedule to ensure everything is ready. At Hera, precision and dedication are always the top priorities. Whether it's a quick tune-up or a full inspection, every detail gets the care it deserves. Hera's team ensures that every car leaves in peak condition, ready for the road ahead. From meticulous tool cleaning to in-depth discussions with clients, every moment counts. We don't just fix cars, we build trust and confidence on every journey. Your satisfaction fuels our passion, and every completed service is a job well done. Choose Hera for all your automotive needs. See you next time.